What is
I
this?
smoke.
How strange. Give up smoking. I don't like personally.
I'm sorry, I can't give it up.
How many total states in USA? What is the last states of USA? Do you know? Hello. Where are you from right now? Are,
I'm from Kentucky in the USA.
are you from New York right now? New York or
Yeah, the
Texas?
USA.
USA. Which state do you live in at present? Which state?
Kentucky.
Okay. Just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our beautiful country Bangladesh? Our beautiful country
No,
Bangladesh. It is located.
I never heard of it.
It is located. It is close to next to India. Close to India. Do you know India? India?
No,
Okay.
a little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Oh, do you take smoking? Do you take smoking?
Yeah, I smoke.
What is
I
this?
smoke.
How strange. I know that most of the female don't take any smoking. It is harmful for health. I don't like personally.
Wow.
I don't like personally smoking. I hate. But
You don't like smoking?
I advise you, you should give up smoking from today because it is harmful for health. Really. Doctor advised me.
Yes, bad.
Doctor advised me
Is it-
not to take smoking, never. But most of the time within 24 hours, I drink a lot of water. Really, it is beneficial for health. Are you sure? Please
Yeah.
give up smoking. I don't like. I hate it. Give up. It is harmful. Really, it is harmful for health.
Yeah, it's bad. It's really bad.
Actually, you should take coffee, tea, etc. Those are not so much
Yeah.
harmful. Yeah, those are not so much harmful for health. Especially, you can take little bitter leaves, tea, coffee. Oh shit! Please give up. Give up smoking. I don't like personally. Really.
I'm sorry, I can't give it up. It'd be hard.
Okay. Actually, never. I didn't take in never smoking because I am teacher. I'm private teacher. I advised my students all the time positive sides. I teach my students always. Or do you live in nearest Times Square? Nearest Times Square, USA, New York, Times Square nearest.
Yeah, I live in USA.
Okay, just do you know Times Square? Do you know Times Square very well?
Uh, No, I don't know them.
Or do you live in Texas? At present, do you live in Texas?
No, no, I live in Kentucky.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, just I am asking 5 questions. The first question: how many states in USA? Total states. How many total states in USA?
I don't know.
Okay, just I know 50 states. And what is the last state of USA? What is the last states of USA? Do you know? Do you know? Hawaii. Do you know Hawaii?
No.
Hawaii Island. Do you know? Hawaii.
No.
It is located Pacific Ocean, middle.
Hawaii?
Hawaii Island. Your
Are you talking about Hawaii?
Hawaii. Last state of USA. Hawaii.
Yeah.
But you
It's
should.
very pretty.